Accidentally drop your iPhone and it goes black? Stuck on a black screen with a spinning loop? iPhone turns to be black when using an app? iPhone goes black after software update? These situations really fret us. So how can we get rid of black screen on iPhone? No worries. Here are 4 easy and safe ways to fix it. The first method is to charge your iPhone by using a charging cable or a wireless charger. When your iPhone runs out of battery, it will suddenly turn black and shut down. If that's the case, simply connect the power to your iPhone and restart it for use. Another way is to force restart your iPhone. Minor system issues can be solved by restarting. Here is a step-by-step guide. You can also repair iPhone black screen via iTunes under the recovery mode. However, you need to know that all the data of your iPhone will be erased after the following fix. Firstly, download the newest version of iTunes on your PC and launch the program. Then connect the iPhone to the PC with a USB cable that comes with it. You need to put your iPhone into recovery mode manually. Or you can also use MagFone iOS system recovery to do that. After iTunes detects it, click Restore. This process will take a long time, please be patient and wait patiently. The last solution is resort to a third-party tool. If you wish to solve this issue safely and quickly, MagFone iOS System Recovery is a good selection without doubt. MagFone iOS System Recovery is a powerful and professional tool that can be used to solve various iOS system problems, including iPhone black screen. The most important thing is it won't cause any data loss. Here's how to. Download MagFone iOS System Recovery and connect your iPhone to the computer by a USB cable. Click iOS System Repair on the main interface and click Start on the next interface. Next you should choose Standard Repair and download proper firmware package. If you opened iTunes, don't forget to turn it off. Then the software will begin to repair your iPhone. You just need to wait for a while patiently.